In this tutorial, we're going to go over sets. Now, what the set function is used for, it's used to create a set, which is an unordered collection of unique elements in Python. Now, I will note that sets do not allow duplicates, but they do support mathematical operations like union, intersection, and difference. Now, for example of a set, here we have this list 1, 1, 2, but we could use a set to remove the duplicates of these. Now, this will remain the same when adding a 2, but if we add a unique element of 3, you can see that is then added to our set. Now, we could also use sets on strings. So, for example, I'll do set word here, and you can see it's taking the unique value of Mississippi here. I pre-typed it because I know I'd spell it wrong, but this can be quite useful, especially for working with things with natural language processing and other fields of that nature. Now, here we're going to define two sets, and we're going to use some of the mathematical operations. You can see here with this operator, it combines these two sets and then returns you all the unique values between them. Now we could also do and run that, and you can see this is now returning us any values that are within both sets. Lastly, we could subtract the two sets from one another, and this will tell us all of the numbers that are in one set but not the other. And we could also swap this around B to A, and that'll return us 4, as 4 is in B but not A. Now that's a basic introduction to utilizing sets within Python, and I hope that helps.